Get down.
Welcome back, everybody. It's good to see you guys all. Happy New Year. Welcome back to the returning viewers and all the new viewers that are joining for the first time. Just want to welcome you guys to this channel, and for the ones that are returning back, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. So this year, one of my goals is to help you guys out the best I can in getting healthy and fit. So I thought I'd make this first video starting straight off the bat, because I know a lot of you guys will be looking to join a new gym. So I thought, why not make a quick little video to show you guys the things I look out for and you should look out for when you are joining a gym. First thing, of course, is obviously cost. And I know you always want to look for a good deal. So things to look out for when getting a good deal: try get a friend to sign up with you, because some places when you get a friend to sign up with you, you get some sort of discount. And also try avoid gyms that lock you into a contract, because I believe you should be able to decide when you want to go to gym, how you want to go to gym, and as long as you want to go to gym. So why should the gyms have the right to lock you in on a contract? And of course, if you're locked into a contract, it just doesn't give you the flexibility to leave if you want to leave, or if your circumstances change and you want to change gyms just because you're moving or anything like that. This is why I highly recommend do not get signed into a contract. Now, the second thing that I'm going to talk about is location. Now, location is key. Location will determine how long it takes you to get to the gym, where the gym is, and how accessible it is to you. Because the last thing you want is being stuck and at a gym that is too far away and you just find excuses not to go because it takes you so long to get to the gym. And that's the last thing you want to do, because you want to make it as accessible, as easy, as quick as to be able to get to the gym, get there, do your thing, and then get back home. Third thing you want to look out for is the equipment at the gym now you just signed up to. Because the last thing you want is giving yourself excuses again. You can't work this out, you can't work that out because there is not the equipment that you want to be able to be working out. So have a look at your workout that you want to be doing. Look at the way you like to work out and see if the gym has the equipment available to cater to the kind of style of workouts that you want to do. There's no point being a CrossFit lover and signing up to a normal commercial gym that has no CrossFit equipment. So that's really another thing to keep in mind, to have the right equipment for you. And I think these days there will be some gyms that will be really cheap, but they have the basic of the basic equipments that usually you will get discouraged by, and will give you just another reason not to go to the gym. So guys, those are my 3 top tips when choosing a gym. Keep those in mind, and let me know in the comment section below if there's any other things that you guys look out for when you are choosing a gym. But for me, those top 3 are the most important things. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you took something good away from it. Let me know what other videos you'd like me to do in the comment section below. Obviously, I keep these series rolling of videos. I have a lot of things planned for you guys this year. I just want to help share my knowledge with you guys. As always, thank you for watching this video, and most importantly, I will see you guys on the next video.